All right, guys, so we got a surprise delivery today. I was told that the tins were done for the Harley, so let's unbox it and see what we got. And I'm guessing the super secret project is in here, which Trevor now knows about. So let's open this up. Oh, this thing is brand new. Holy shit! Oh, don't fall in the box. No. He said he all individually wrapped every piece. Well, I know what this is. This is the guitar.
Oh, got a guitar shape on it.
We'll take this one home with us. Oh, I'm excited. Fucking excited. Let's see what this thing looks like. Trevor didn't know until about 5 minutes ago what the fuck I was doing. Oh, damn.
Yeah. Ooh. Yes, sir. Look at
Wow.
that. Let's see if I can get any like metal flakes in there. Oh yeah, I think you can definitely see some metal flakes.
Man, this thing is nice. See how it's got that? It's like they call this a flame guitar.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's unique. I've never seen nothing like that before.
Right? Cool, right? All right, so let's wrap this back up and we'll put this in the truck. Hang on a second. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, here's the gas tank.
Ooh, I think that's what we all want to see, right?
Yeah.
That's a piece of resistance.
Piece de resistance. Oh, man. Just don't drop it. Brother. Oh, it's so slippery.
Ooh.
Damn.
Oh yeah, bud.
Damn. Wow. Let's, here, come over here. Let's just. I don't want to let it go. So I'm just going to hold it right here. What do you think?
Oh yeah, that's it.
That's it?
That hits different.
And then of course we're gonna put the Harley stickers on here. Man, look at that. Look at how good that looks. That's crazy, right? I can't wait to look at the video because I can't really see it. That looks awesome. All right. Let's look at the fender. Oh dude, that's crazy. Crazy. Is this the rear fender? This is the rear fender. Oh, no, this is the front fender. This is the front fender. Holy shit. Wow. This could be backwards. I don't really know.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Damn, this thing's gonna look good. Let me get the, that probably won't go anywhere. Let's take a look at this. These pins.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright. Alright, just to do it.
That's good. I like that.
Please don't move. Wow. That's gonna look awesome. Alright. This thing is so making me so nervous. I'm gonna pull that off. Woo! Alright guys, that's awesome. We got the tins. This thing's gonna be killer. I think it's awesome. Turned out exactly how I wanted it. You know, we could do some pinstripes and stuff maybe down the road, but you know, some of them, you know, they come down, come to a point, whatever. But yeah, this thing's gonna look pretty cool. So stay tuned. I think the next thing that I can easily work on is the super secret project, which is now not a secret anymore. And we'll definitely be able to get started doing some more wiring and stuff, and getting this thing put together. I'm not putting these pieces on until we're done with whatever we got to do. That'll be the last things. We got to get this thing running first. So, all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. All right, easy.
I am Iron Man.